guys, it's Nikki and welcome to not the new release video, but our kind of like mystery kit reveal slash anniversary sale video. So this coming weekend is the shop's 3-year anniversary. We will be doing 30% off over on Shopify. None of this is going to be on Etsy, and the coupon code also will not be on Etsy. But for the sale, we will be bringing back past mystery kits. So I've got those here since I've never really done like a reveal of the mystery kits. I wanted to kind of go through them and show you guys what they look like. I believe I'm going to be doing photos for the shop. It just kind of depends. I'm going to try to though. So none of these will be coming with the extras that normally come with a mystery kit. It will just be the kit. And then I do have the like glitter headers and date cover add-ons printed off so I can show you those as well. Also, the first 50 orders placed will be receiving a little bag that has some samplers from some other shops. So I wanted to show you guys those as well. I will do those at the end. And what else? Sale starts at noon Eastern Standard Time. Next week we will have our anniversary kit go up. I believe we'll be doing an anniversary bundle as well, but I didn't want to do all of that at the same time. So that will be next week and I will show that as well. But yeah, so we are doing February through, I believe, June. Yeah, for the mystery kit re-releases. August literally just shipped and wasn't even supposed to ship until after this sale had started, so that one wasn't included. And I also didn't do July just because that wasn't that long ago. I wanted to do some of the other ones that have been, you know, have come and gone. So February through June, and I am going to go through each one of these. So I've got them in order and I will start with February. Also, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I will make sure that I keep an eye on comments to answer any questions. So this is the February mystery kit. And the first thing that I have here, oh, here we go. Let's start zooming. So the first thing that I have here are the date cover add-ons, and then I do also have the glitter headers. This is our older glitter. I believe February and March both had the smaller glitter, and then starting in April we did the chunkier glitter. So these are the two add-ons for the kit. And then here we go. So this kit is rose gold foil, and the lighting is going to be a bit weird, but I'm going to do my best to show you guys. So I'm going to zoom in a bit more. There we go. So here are your full boxes. Hopefully you can see the foil. So it says Live Life in Full Bloom. You have a couple of really big foil pieces. So you have this rose as well as the bow down here. And I love this kit. So this was for February. I didn't want to do something Valentine specific, but I did want to keep in like a lot of pinks. So I did the pink with the blue. So you've got the blue and then kind of like more of a mint green, just super pretty. And I'm gonna just kind of flip through these. I don't want to take a ton of time doing this because I don't think any reformats have happened throughout these except for maybe this page. So this is your bottom washi sheet. As you can see, these are still the washi strips. So I believe for February and March, it's still the strips of washi. And then starting in April is when the just normal date covers came back. So this is your bottom washi. Other than that, I don't know that there's any huge changes. Maybe the icons, this first sheet here. But like I said, I'm going to get pictures up on the site just so that there isn't any confusion about that. But that is February mystery. So all of these will only be available on glossy. I didn't want to do creamy and matte because I didn't think there was any possible way that I would have the time to also get these stocked on premium. So we've got it in glossy only, but I do have both deluxe and mini. I don't think we started doing B6 until July, so I don't have any of these on B6, but we do have them in both mini and deluxe. So here is the mini kit version. And I'm not going to flip through the mini and the deluxe on all of these, just because I don't want this video to be an hour and a half long. So that was February. Next is March. This is my all-time favorite kit that I've ever done, is the March mystery kit. This is also the one that I get the most questions about. I still have people messaging me asking to purchase this kit. So here is the date cover add-on, and then here is your glitter header add-on. Again, this is the smaller, more fine glitter. And then this is the full box sheet. So this is just our dark gold foiling. Maybe we're a bit close. Oop, oop, oop. There we go. So there are the full boxes. I really should have filmed this earlier when the light was a bit better. But your quote box says spring is in the air. You've got a ton of really beautiful florals. You've got that hot air balloon. I love these. I'm totally obsessed with these full boxes. So your next sheet has all of the normal stuff that's on this sheet, but there isn't a weekend banner. When you purchase the mystery kits, normally you would also get like a freebie, and on that freebie I did a very large weekend banner. That's not going to be available during this sale, so I'm going to put it in the description, but I know not everybody reads that, but again, there will be pictures. There is no weekend banner for the March mystery kit. So here are your half boxes, little things and headers. I do want to show the ombre heart checklist do have a pattern in them. It's pretty faint. It doesn't make it difficult to write on, but there is a pattern in those checklist. And then here is your date cover and bottom washi sheet. This one again has the date cover strips. Oh, I just love this kit so much. So much. So we do have that one in deluxe and mini. I am going to open the mini just to see what the difference is. Again, no weekend banner in this one. And this is just the older format still, which isn't a massive change from the newer one, but if that is something that you want to look at, I will make sure that I've got pictures up on the website. So the next one that we have is the April mystery kit. So here are the glitter header add-ons. This is when we switched over to the chunkier glitter. And then here are the date cover add-ons as well. And then here are your full boxes. So April did have silver foiling. Your quote box, this is one of my all-time favorite quote boxes. It says always be humble and kind. I think that's just so pretty. And then you've got like just a bunch of marble. There's some geometric, this really pretty wreath, as well as this floral pattern over here. There's also some foiling in the flowers. And then this, oh no, this is actually still the older format as well. So we must have not switched until May or maybe June. I guess we'll find out. So one thing about the older format is the icons are still in the circles instead of being the cutout icons. I think there's just a couple of little like minor changes throughout. And then here is your bottom washi and date cover sheet. So it has this really pretty floral foiling on the bottom washi. Okay, so that was April, and I'm not going to flip through mini kits from now on, even though I do have them pulled, but I don't want to, like I said, I don't want this video to take forever, so I'm going to keep going. Next is the May mystery kit. So we have got the date cover add-on as well as the glitter header add-on. And then I really love this kit as well. This one is done with our light gold foiling, so it's more of a champagne color. It doesn't have as much of a yellow undertone. And the colors in this one I think are just super pretty. So your quote box, if I can figure out where the lens is, there we go, says the best is yet to come. And then you've got this really pretty large floral, like bouquet almost. And then some more foiling going throughout the rest of these floral boxes. So those are your full boxes. It looks like this is actually where the format switched to the newer format. So this is the newer format for the kits. So starting in May. Half boxes. I think these colors are super fun. You've got your little things in your headers, ombre heart checklist, and then your bottom washi. And yeah, this is where we switched over to the singular date covers. So here is your bottom washi as well as your date covers. So that was May. And let's see. I do have the mini. I think I am going to go ahead and flip through it just because this is the different format now. But again, I will have everything photographed on the website so that you guys can see. But this is the newer format for mini. Okay, so next, and I guess last, is June. I feel like there's so many more being released just because of the amount of them that have been cut. Like, let me show you guys. This is literally just what I've done today, are these kits right here. And this is just March and April. So this is a lot of kits. So I just feel like I don't know, like I've released every past mystery kit just because of the amount that has been foiled and cut. So this is the June mystery kit. This is another one of my absolute favorites. So this one is silver foiling. So here are your glitter headers as well as your date cover add-ons. Also, none of the glitter headers will have the option to have foil because we didn't do that with any of these kits up until that point, and I didn't want to redo the files. So they will only be available as normal glitter headers. None of them will have the foiling. So here are your full boxes for the June mystery kit. I love this one so much. So your quote box says choose happy, and this one is floral. You guys know I love florals, and I really like to do florals for mystery kits because I feel like that way it's normally not something that you've already purchased before from another shop. Like there's not that chance that it's artwork that you've already had. I mean, there is still a chance, but I find that it's not quite so common. So this one has this really pretty like geometric pattern up here, and then all of the florals. Oh, I love this kit. Okay, so your second sheet here is your functional sheet, and again, this is the newer format. You have your half boxes, little things, ombre heart checklist, and then here is your bottom washi. This is one of my favorite bottom washies, and I really hope the foiling is going to pick up. Super, super pretty. I love this kit. So that is June, and I do have the mini over here. I pulled all of them just because they need to be photographed. So those are all the mystery kits that will be available. There is limited stock, but like I said in the Facebook group, if things sell out, I am going to up our processing times and add in some more that we don't have available. So hopefully things aren't going to sell out because like I just showed, we did a lot of these kits, but if they do, I will be adding in some extra stock. So on to the sampler packs. So these will be for the first 50 orders. That is the first 50 orders that are over $15 USD. I'll have that on like the graphic that we post for the sale. So I did swap with quite a few shops. Everybody was super kind in reaching out after I asked and swapping. I did have quite a few more shops reach out, but I just didn't have the time to print and cut more freebies. So the first shop that will be in the sampler bag is Samantha May Sticks. This is one of my absolute favorite shops. I love her stickers. I'm actually going to zoom you guys a bit more. So this is the freebie that she sent over. Super cute. You've got the bows, you've got the marble. This is just very much like her aesthetic and what she has in her shop. So I love this. And then each of these is in its own separate cello, and they do all come with a die cut. They are all different colors, so it's just kind of random. Also with all of these, some of the shops did send different freebies, so what you get may not necessarily be what I'm showing now. All of the Samantha May sticks looked the same, but a couple of these other ones did send some different things. They're all very similar though, it's just some of them are different artwork or different colors, and they will, like I said, just all be random. So that was the first freebie. The second one that we have is from Vanessa over at Hello Petite Paper. I love this, but I love her stickers so much. So we have some scalloped heart checklists that have the glitter, super pretty, weekly tracker, daily tracker, and then some adorable little icons up at the top. So you have the phone that says Etsy, you have a little coffee cup, and then you have a shopping bag. Just super, super cute. So those were from Vanessa. The next shop that I have got is from Perfect Prints Co. I love this one. The quote box says, I'm feeling a bit prickly today. And then you've got an appointment label, a scalloped kind of quarter box, don't forget Happy Mail, and then a couple of flags. The next sampler that I've got is from Seaside Stickers, and this one is foiled. This is one that there were different color options. So some of these are like, there were blue, there were pink, I believe there was a lighter shade of blue, so these will vary. And this particular one has the blue foiling on it, and it is super, super pretty. So you've got some bows, some bow headers, you've got some packages, groceries, a present, and then a coffee cup. So super cute. Next is from Brianna over at the Crafty Banana. I love saying that so much. And I died when I saw these. Like, I can't. Okay, so let me kind of get a little bit closer. Okay, so how amazing is this? So you've got Plan with Nikki, you've got a laptop open to NicoleAlexiaDesigns. I just can't. I love this so much. And then you've got just a ton of really, really pretty just deco, and I love these. I love the little custom samplers that she does every single time that I get something from her. It normally always has my name on it, like on the actual stickers, and I think it is just the cutest thing. But when I saw the plan with Nikki in the laptop, I just died. So those are from the Crafty Banana. Next we have a sampler from Student Planning. So we have got some scalloped heart checklist, a ton of scripts, super cute. You've got a laptop, a movie marquee, a weekend banner, and I believe that this was another one that there were some like variants in color. Did I just make up a word? I don't think so. Variants a word. Variances? I don't know. Anyway, maybe I'll edit that out. Probably not though. So anyway, so there were some different color options for this particular freebie, but those are from Student Planning. Next is from Aylin's Creations. I always hope I'm saying that right. And so this one I believe also had some different colors. So we've got the clean and the organized labels. I'm going to be showing those in an upcoming haul. I absolutely love these clean and organized labels. You've got to do, rescheduled, some more scripts. You've got some weather icons down at the bottom. Just super, super cute. Next is from Sticky Situations Co. And this is a really adorable sampler. I love the colors. Obviously it's watermelon, which I think is just too cute. So you've got movie night, you've got some labels, you have a ton of scripts, and then you've got like a water tracker, a planner. Absolutely adorable. And then the last one that I have got here is from Planner Face, and this is another one that there were some different ones sent over. The difference in the color as well as the full boxes, but all of the full boxes were so, so cute. So you've got your 2 full boxes, you've got some icons down at the bottom, appointment labels, to buy, a daily tracker, a half box, and another appointment label up top. So those are the sampler packs, and actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I am still waiting on at least one more. Let me zoom these back out. I am still waiting on samplers from at least one more shop that will be here, and those will go into the bags when I get them here. Or maybe I'll throw them into random orders just because it's going to depend on when they get here. But those are for the first 50 orders over $15 USD placed tomorrow starting at noon. It does have to be after the sale starts. I think that that's it though. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will keep an eye on them and answer any questions that you guys have. Sale starts at noon Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, and I will be announcing the coupon code in the Facebook group as well as on Instagram tomorrow morning. So I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.